Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching to the sheet metal workspace and selecting your part. This tells Fusion 360 to use flange and unfold tools. Once done, pick the material and exact thickness, for example 5 mm, because bends and flat patterns depend on that value. Make sure to set a bend radius and K-factor, or bend allowance, so the software calculates accurate flat lengths. These parameters control why edges fit after forming. Now create or import the base face to begin the first flange. You will now generate flanges from the base face. Select an edge, set the length and angle, and choose inside or outside bend. This affects final dimensions, so plan accordingly. Next, add functional features. Sketch cutouts and use the punch or hole commands that respect sheet rules, because standard extrude can break unfolding. Once multiple flanges meet, inspect corner relief and choose miter or offset to prevent overlaps during bending. Use the measure tool to verify cumulative lengths and clearances. You finish by unfolding the part to create a flat pattern so you can validate bend sequences and measure true flat lengths. Once unfolded, inspect for self-intersections and tiny gaps. If present, fold back, adjust reliefs or flange order, and unfold again. This iterative check prevents failed fabrications. When correct, use the Create Flat Pattern command and export a DXF for CNC or laser cutting. One troubleshooting tip: if unfolding fails, reduce complex fillets and add explicit corner relief to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.